We will use the default iRough technology to machine the outside contour of our part. Let's click on the Define button to define the machining geometry for the current operation. When defining geometry in iMachining, it is important to note that the geometry is defined as a pocket that can be open, closed, and/or semi-closed. The pocket can contain internal chains treated as islands or used for safe tool entry. We will discuss many examples of defining geometries in Chapter 7 of this interactive Jumpstart PDF, concluding with iMachining Professor. For this example, the geometry is defined as an open pocket with island. Select the two chains as shown. Mark the outer chain, chain 1, as open to enable the tool to approach from the outside. In the Level section of the Geometry Edit dialog box, click on the Depth button to define the lower machining level for the operation. Pick the depth on the bottom edge of the model as shown here. We can also define these upper and lower machining levels on the Levels branch of the iMachining Operation dialog box. Moving down the tree, next we need to create a new tool. Clicking Select will bring up the tool table. Click on the Add Milling Tool icon. We'll add an end mill with a 9.5 mm diameter. Then we'll define the tool parameters. Set the total length to 76 mm, the outside holder length and shoulder length to 29 mm, the cutting length to 25 mm, and the number of flutes to 4. Now, let's switch to the iData tab and choose the 45 medium value for the helical angle parameter. This parameter affects the cutting conditions and step-down values generated by the wizard. Click Select to confirm the tool definition. Next, we'll define the milling levels. In addition to the depth specified at the stage of the geometry definition, we can define the delta depth to perform machining deeper than the part bottom edge. Let's set the value to -0.76 mm. Let's switch to the Technology Wizard branch. This wizard automatically calculates the cutting conditions for the iMachining technology, taking into account the tool data and milling levels defined for the operation. We will go over how to use the iMachining wizard in greater detail in Chapter 7 of this interactive Jumpstart PDF, concluding with iMachining Professor. For this operation, let's use the default position of the machining level slider, 3. Finally, let's click Save and Calculate, then click Simulate. First, we'll run the simulation in HostCAD, and then the Solid Verify mode. The corners are cleared first during simulation, and then the entire contour is machined.